This is the entrance to our J. Marie house, and we use a Slate lock, which has digital capabilities, and we change the lock for each guest to be safe. Anyway, as we come in, we have 4 armless chairs, and also, as you turn around, a really nice dining room that we keep seated for 6, but we have 2 additional chairs and 2 additional leaves in the entryway closet right behind me after I just entered. We have a lovely open kitchen with granite countertops, high-end appliances, including a gas stove, which most people love. And as you come around, we also, by the way, I'm a cook, so I like to have a lot of cooking gadgets for my guests as well. We have 2 coffee makers, a regular and a Keurig. And then as you look down here, this is our microwave. And then as you turn around, it looks out over to both living areas. And so people can set separate living areas. We have a really nice, comfy sectional. And we have lots of light, lots of windows. 2 additional chairs with a footstool, and a 65-inch TV. We have, for our cable, it's Hulu Live, which has like all of the sports channels, all of the channels you can record. It's not regular Hulu. Sometimes people get confused about it. But anyway, as you come around here, we have the entrance into the garage. It's kind of a garage and a half, but you can park and use the garage. Then we have the half bath right here with the pocket door. And that pulls, shut right here. Anyway, and then as you come around here, this is one of my favorite things about this house. We have the screened-in porch that you can sit out on nice days and relax, read, whatever. Our property sits on almost a half acre flat. Anyway, and I haven't taken the cover off for our patio set, but we have a nice Weber grill patio down here to sit and relax and cook out. And as we come back in here, a desk if you would like to work at. And again, we keep some games, movies in this little media cabinet, and a Blu-ray player. So I'm going to be walking down here where earlier I turned left. We have the linen closet. And this, we have lots of towels. And then we have the laundry room center. It's full-size washer and dryer, brand new, or a year old, I should say, at this point. And then we come in to our full bathroom, and we have marble on the walls with the inset for easy washing, showering. Then, of course, our decorated same material for the toilet area. Huge, nice vanity. And anyway, as we come around here, we have I call this the guest bedroom with twins with a trundle underneath. We like this room to be kind of fun and colorful. And then storage and nice full-size closet with extra blankets, extra little shelves, I don't know, or storage area here if you can see it. Then as we come around here, back to our master, we have a 42-inch TV in here and a nice king-size bed with flip-down nightstands and night lights for both. We have top-of-the-line mattresses in both rooms. And as we turn around here, we keep extra blankets and things in this room, an extra set of sheets. So we keep plenty of everything. Usually people have never said it or we've been missing anything. I hope you enjoy our place. We love it.